Hello everyone, this is Amratpal, founder of Amratpal Vision. So today we are going to Hale. So guys, you will be taking your Studienkolleg's lecture in this building. This is the backside of EAH JENA. I will also show you the university. You can see the wonderful mountains. Hello everyone, this is Amratpal, founder of Amratpal Vision. Today I am here in Jena with one of our partner institute, that is International Student Center Thuringia, in cooperation with EAH JENA. So today I have Nicole with me, head of department of the Studienkolleg. So we are representing this institute in India. If you want to study in this institute, you can always contact Amratpal Vision. We will directly send your application here in Germany. So today Nicole will be giving us all insights regarding this institute, why you can come here, how you can come here, and yes, what are the insights, what program they offer, and how much the program costs you. It's a private institute, it's a private Studienkolleg which offers TWM for the students who would like to do their bachelor's in Germany, because here in Germany you have to do your 13 year of education, which means if you have 12th grade in India, so one additional foundation year you have to do here in Germany, and for that we have this partner institute who will give you 1 year of foundation course here at Jena, and then you can give your FSP, you can stay here in Jena, you can study here in Jena, or if you want to go into any other university here in Germany, you can also go there. So I would like to welcome Ms. Nicole in our video. So Nicole, yes, you have to explain our student why they should come to your institute and how your institute is special in regards to the other institute also.
Hello Amratpal, I'm really happy to welcome you here in Jena. We're really happy to have you and tell a bit about our students'
Thank you.
college.
Same here.
We are Foundation College, a private institution, as you said. We're a young, modern institution. We have very high qualified staff here with us. A lot of them have a PhD. We are really motivated and we are happy to welcome international students from all over the world here.
Great.
And we are always very happy to have students from India.
Great. That sounds good. So can you tell our students about the programs you have?
Yes, as you already mentioned, here students can study a T, Technique, a V, Economy, or an M, Medical course.
Okay, so what's the fees of your institute?
You pay for 2 semesters 7,000 euros.
So 7,000 euros they can do their foundation course. Do you have any installment plans?
It is possible to pay these because it's quite a bit of money, for example, in 2 installments, yes.
Okay, 2 installments they can pay. Okay, so what's the entry requirement of this institute?
Important is that you have some German knowledge already. You need a B1 to apply to us. We don't have an entry exam, which is probably interesting to hear.
Okay, so no Aufnahmeprüfung.
No Aufnahmeprüfung, but of course you have to apply with all your documents, for example, your high school degrees, and we have to prove if you will be able to study, for example, a T course with us.
Great. And can you tell us about like A1, A2, B1? Is there any certain amount of marks they require to pass? For example, in B1 they require 70% or something like that, or they just need to pass the exam?
They have to pass the exam, and we really recommend that they get these exam tests from one of the big institutions like the Goethe Institute, for example, which also works in India.
Okay, so also TELC certificates are also valid?
Yes, absolutely.
So students who are living here in Germany, and if they didn't got the luck to get into public Studienkolleg, and if they have A1, A2, B1 or B2 certificate with them of of TELC, you can definitely come here and you can continue your foundation course here. Okay, so I would like to know something about the T course Studienkolleg. Which subject students will be get taught?
Our students are getting taught in German, maths, physics, chemistry, English and informatics.
Great.
So perfect preparation for the degree afterwards.
Great. And what about W course? Which subjects they will be get taught?
German as well, of course, then maths also, then economy, social studies, English and informatics.
Great. And you have two universities in cooperation and or representing, right? So which are those?
Exactly. These are the local university. It's first the Friedrich-Schiller-Universität, but also the Ernst-Abbe-Hochschule, which is a very close partner of us.
Great. So students, I would add something to this point. Once you are here in Student Center, International Student Center, Thuringia, they are running the Studienkolleg with the cooperation of EAH JENA, which is a public university, FH here in Jena. And also they have other university that is FSU Jena. You can also go there once you have completed your foundation course here. If you are looking to go outside of Jena, again, you have to go with the FSP and you can apply all over Germany. Is it right?
That is correct. So with our FSP exam at the end, you can stay here, which we would really recommend, but also you're free to study somewhere else, Munich, Berlin, wherever you like.
So students can go to FH and TU both?
Yeah.
Great. So many students, they have asked me the question, sir, if I complete my Studienkolleg from private institute, can I get into TUs? Yes, with FSP you can get into TUs, FH, Hochschule, anywhere in Germany. So no need to worry about that. So how much seats in total you have?
As I said, we are not such a big institution, which is important actually for us. So we have around 80 seats.
80 seats, okay. And how many intakes do you have?
We take in twice per year in April and in October, and then we usually have 3 to 4 classes.
3 to 4 classes a week?
No, in total.
In total, okay. Can you tell me about the deadlines to apply for your institute?
The deadline now for the upcoming winter semester, which starts in October, is at the beginning of September.
Beginning of September.
And the April start for the summer term is usually at the beginning of March.
Beginning of March,
yes.
Okay. So what kind of services you are providing to the students who are coming from all over the world or from India?
First, of course, we before they even come here, when they're interested, we are happy to provide all the information they need. And then when it becomes clearer that they really want to come to us, we are, of course, also give them further information, how to come here, where they could find accommodation, for example. As our students are usually students at the universities here in Jena, they have the possibility to live in a hall of residence, so in a Wohnheim, which is a great possibility for them.
Great. So many times other cities and other states you cannot apply to student and work once if you are in a private institute, but here with the cooperation of EAH JENA and Jena Institute, you can definitely get into the student and work also, which is the best place for any student to live here in Germany. Okay, so can you tell me the process of enrollment, how they can enroll with Amratpal Vision?
Yes, of course. The easiest way is really go to our homepage. There you find all the information. You get also information in English, which is probably also interesting for parents, for example. And there you just have to go to the application page. It's very straightforward. You just fill in everything. You can always come back to us, ask questions if something is unclear. And that's the first start. There we will prove if all your documents are certified. I'm so sorry. And afterwards, you would be happy to welcome you here.
Great, great. So student, this was the insight about the International Student Center Thuringia Studienkolleg. And if you would like to study here, you can always contact Amratpal Vision, your one-stop solution for all your studying in Germany needs. And yes, subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Amratpal Vision, where you can find 100 universities campus tour and the interaction with the students of Amratpal Vision who are studying there, and you will see the ground reality of those students also. See you soon here in Germany.
Thank you.
So guys, ये था आपका येना आए थे आज आपको बताने related to our new partner इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंटकोलेग थ्योरिंगिया, और उसका कैंपस टूर अभी हम लोग शूट करेंगे। कैंपस टूर का पता नहीं वो लोग शूट करने देंगे या नहीं, क्योंकि अभी चल रहा है वेकेशन, तो अगर बंद होगा फिर हम लोग कैंपस टूर नहीं करेंगे। देखिए कितना चलना पड़ रहा है इस वर्ल्ड टूर में। सिर्फ आपको ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि हर कैंपस बताएं जहां अमृतपाल विजन के स्टूडेंट पढ़ रहे हैं। कितनी सारी ट्रेन, कितनी सारी बस जो है वो सब ऑलरेडी बदल चुके हैं। हम लोग अभी जाएंगे वापस हम लोग बर्लिन, बट हाले होके जाएंगे। हाले में हमारे स्टूडेंट हैं, हाले में उनसे भी मिलेंगे और फिर बर्लिन जाएंगे, उनका भी इंटरव्यू करेंगे, क्योंकि वो जो प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंटकोलेग का वो 4 कोर्स कर रहे हैं, फॉरबेराइटिंग कोर्स, तो उससे भी आपको बहुत सीखना मिलेगा। तो ये ना ख़त्म, अभी जाएंगे हाले। लेट्स गो।